Here's a really quick and easy recipe for families on a budget. Typically speaking, you can feed a family of 4 with this for about 10 bucks. It's called Shepherd's Pie. The ingredients are very simple. You're going to get a pound of ground meat, 2 pounds if you're doing a larger family. I'm just using a can of mixed vegetables. These go for about $1, $1.50. You can use frozen vegetables. If you do 2 cups of frozen vegetables. I have onions and green peppers diced. It's going to be cooked with my meat. You're going to need some cheese, your spices, and of course mashed potatoes. I have instant, but you can use your regular potatoes. You could use 4 or 5 potatoes and go ahead and you would make mashed potatoes the normal way. So while the meat is browning, I'm going to tell you a real quick hack. If you're using canned vegetables, even if you've canned them yourself, and you're using instant potatoes, when you go to make your mashed potatoes, save the juice from the can and use that as your water base and add it to your potatoes. That way, A, you're not going to lose any of the benefits from the vegetables, and B, you'll add more flavor to the whole meal. Get a medium deep cake pan. Cake pan. Okay, so while the meat is browning, as you can see, there's usually grease buildup when you do your hamburger, especially depending on your ratio. In my mashed potato base, I have garlic and onion, black pepper, salt with my butter. What I'm going to do, I use the vegetable water to help make this. With the meat, I'm also going to take the grease, and I'm putting that in my mashed potatoes too. This will give my mashed potatoes a little bit more flavor. So now that the meat and the potatoes are done, we're going to go ahead and take the meat, put it right over the vegetables. I think I probably should have used a bigger pan. That'll be alright. I'll make it work. So I'm going to mush this down a bit. You don't have to mush it down, obviously, if you get a bigger pan the first time. I guess my eyes were bigger than my pan was. Mush it down. We're going to do the hamburger on top of the vegetables. As you can tell, I did not properly prior plan this first, but this will work. Next, we're going to add the potatoes. Just put the potatoes right on top. Spread them out. I guess I did alright. Yep, this pan will work. Obviously, you'd use a bigger pan for a bigger family, but it's just me, so take your potato, make it cover like a lid. My counter's clean, I promise. After you get the potato on it, I am making a mess. So after you get your potato on it, take your cheese. I don't have a cheese shredder, but I have a really nice cheese knife. You're going to put your cheese on top. Hey, there's extra cheese left over. Amazing. Put your cheese on top, and we're going to take and put it in the oven. Next, we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this only took about 20 minutes once it's all done. I usually wait until the cheese browns a little bit. Scoop it out. Scoop and serve. This is a great little meal. Let me know what you think in the comments.